To create a recurring expense or recurring transaction, you'll go to the original transaction form. Let's suppose we want to create a recurring rent expense transaction. I'll click New and then click Expense. You'll complete the expense information as you normally would. We'll choose the account where it's going to come out of, our payment method, and any other details. Then I'll choose the category, and I can enter the details here in the description as well. I'll enter my amount and sales tax if required. Now let's suppose this is going to be for the first of the month. Now we want to make this recurring. So once we've completed the form, we can click Make Recurring at the bottom of the transaction. And QuickBooks provides us with more details to complete. So we'll give it a name. So this can work for whatever type of transaction you're creating. Then you can choose scheduled, reminder, or unscheduled. If it's something that's happening automatically where the amounts don't change and it's happening on a regular occurrence, you would choose scheduled. You would use reminder if the amounts are going to change, but you need to be reminded to change those each month, you would choose reminder. Or if it's a one-time transaction that you want to save to use it later, you can choose unscheduled. In this example, we'll choose scheduled. You'll see the payee and the account are the same. Then I choose the interval. So I'll say monthly on whatever day I choose and every month. So you can see that the frequency will be according to your schedule. You can choose the start date. So we'll choose next month. And then we can choose an end date if required. But in this case, we'll choose none. We'll select the payment method. And then the remaining parts of the transaction have already been completed. So now we'll click Save Template, and QuickBooks saves the recurring expense. To review that expense, go to the Gear menu, and then click Recurring Transactions. And there we see the monthly rent payment office. We can click the drop-down next to it to use it. We can pause it, we can skip it, and we can use it in whatever way we want. In this example, it's going to be scheduled, so it'll automatically display in QuickBooks on the first of every month.